Hello, I'm Rajeev Priyadarshi from PR3 Systems, and we are at IOD 2010. And I have with me Rob Ashe, who was the CEO of Cognos and right now is the General Manager of Business Analytics, and is going to share with us what is great in Cognos 10. What are the top 3 reasons why every customer needs to upgrade to Cognos 10? So over to Rob Ashe.
Sure, I'd be happy to share that with you. As you know, we launched the product on Monday here at IOD. Great launch that we had. 3 things that people should know about Cognos 10. First of all, we like to say freedom to think. Kind of boundaryless analytics. People not being constrained by whether it's a relational database or an OLAP cube or real-time data. Being able to combine all sorts of data in a very, what we call a BI workspace. It's a new way to work with analytics. It doesn't really narrow people down to what they traditionally might look at in terms of their data. So it's a really new, open, fresh interface into the analytics environment. Second of all, when people work in analytics, they want to collaborate. They want to collaborate around insights that they make. They want to share it with others. They want to start projects for outcomes. And so we've integrated IBM Lotus Connections in with Cognos 10. So users can go immediately from that dashboard that I talked about where they made an important discovery about their business and immediately collaborate with people on a project with some insight from a report that automatically moves into a collaboration environment and people can take actions and report on actions. It's a very nice way to go from sort of the insight into the collaboration to deal with an outcome. And lastly, we talk about just go out there and do it. I mean, you shouldn't be constrained. When you get these great insights in this great environment, you should be able to go mobile. You should be able to be disconnected and continue to gain insights and drive new analytic capabilities. So we've announced a lot of new mobile capabilities, specifically iPhones and iPads, which are really cool. It's a great way to look at when you're on the road to look at this data. But we've also announced active reports, which are reports that you can distribute in the thousands and tens of thousands, but interactive. People can disconnect, people can get on a plane, they can continue to look at dashboards and analyze. So this can be a big added feature of Cognos 10. Now, those are 3 key capabilities, but I can't talk about those capabilities without talking about the platform and the fact that we've really made it easy to upgrade. We've really focused on the upgrade. We've had 110 beta customers through the product, upgrading their applications, and we think we've done a really good job making this compelling capability very accessible.
Thanks a lot, Rob. It's truly appreciate your time. And if you are a customer and everything that you ever wanted to have in a BI tool, it's all in one place, Cognos 10. So please have a look and make sure that you do look at all the features, and I'm sure you'll be astounded and you'll go and try to definitely want it to have in your portfolio. Thank you once again. We are at IOD 2010.